ultra-fast pony.
Meanwhile, in Equestria. Aw, yeah.
According to this book I'm reading, the world is going to end soon. I think that might be bad. Such a good thing I was reading that book. Imagine if I was reading any other book in the world. Such a good thing I just happened decided to read that book. So important. Spike!
Da?
Tell Celestia I can't make the tea party. I'm going to Ponyville to save the world, and everyone will love me.
It shall be so.
We need to prepare. It could get ugly down there. Did a book called The Elements of Harmony show up in the mail yet? The book that holds the key to our success? The one thing that is needed to prevent the entire destruction of the world?
I am so sorry about your book, my master.
That isn't good enough, Spike. Why is everything always your fault?
I am a failure.
Pony, go to the library and prepare my coming. I require the feast. Oh, yeah, brew. This farm smells like pony droppings.
Well, it'll smell a lot worse when I bury you under it.
What?
No, nothing. We're just a normal family. No need to get the law involved. We sell apples.
Is this your harem?
No. Today we're celebrating Apple Bloom's initiation into the family.
I got it up a pig.
That there pony's our leader, Granny Smith. And over there's Big Mac.
Yar!
He thinks he's a pirate. And I've seen him break a pony in half, so I'm not about to tell him otherwise.
Are you like the mob?
Why don't you have an apple, Twilight? And don't even think about telling the law. I will cut your nuts off. Like, get out of my way.
Damn it!
I, totally ruined your hair, and I'm not even going to apologize.
Truly, yours is the most evil of evils in all of Equestria.
OMC, I totally hate you, but, secretly I don't, but really I hate you. Later, loser.
Spike, we have a new mission. I'm going to take that pony down.
But what about the ends of the world?
Oh, you bet I'm going to end her world. You there, simpleton. Tell me about the pony whose name is probably Rainbow Dash. I require her deepest secrets so that I can rue her day.
That doesn't even... What? Oh, mate, you look like roadkill.
Screw you, I'm fabulous.
Fashion montage.
Do you have anything good for stealth missions?
Mate, I got just the thing. Check this out.
Is that a gimp suit?
It might be. Do you like it? I'll take that as a no.
I'm going to need a Pegasus if I want revenge. You there, tell me everything you know about Rainbow Dash.
Rainbow Dash is my friend.
Damn it.
You can call me Fluttershy, 'cause I'm so shy.
You're annoying.
Snoop Dogg.
Get out. Now what is all this? Oh yeah.
It's me, Brew. Remember, Brew? You said you wanted that feast, so I made one. This is gonna be better than Celestia's 111th birthday, I tell you that.
Going to bed.
Master, weren't we supposed to be doing something very important?
No.
Hello, everybody, and welcome to the festivities of my native people. I thank you all for coming and for not running against me as mayor again, especially after my last opposition was found dead in that river. We may never know how he got there.
You suck!
Yes, well, you're a cow. No, wait.
Rah!
No. What is that?
Sand. Damn it, I knew I forgot something. Why didn't Spike remind me?
I will ruin you all.
Oh no, it's Sauron.
OMC, stop grabbing my tail. I hate that.
Sand. I can't believe it. After 1,000 years. Night Moon Mare. What do you want, you villain?
I will rend your bones from your flesh.
I think she's evil. She's evil, right, Brew?
Oh, yes, Simpson.
Sand. Stop saying sand.
Balls to you, I'll say what I want. I could kill you all now, but I'll run away.
Don't worry, I have a plan. Damn it!